Welcome to Startupathon, where your dreams of becoming a boss and CEO can come to life with 10% equity in a groundbreaking startup, and all without needing formal qualifications. Imagine a world where your passion and determination are all you need to succeed. At Persist Ventures, we believe that greatness isn't about what you have, but what you can achieve. Your journey to the top starts with a spark of ambition and a relentless drive to make a difference. Guided by Jim O'Neill, founder of the Theill Fellowship, the same program that empowered visionaries like Vitalik Buterin and Theill, we're here to ignite your potential. These trailblazers didn't wait for opportunities, they created them, and so can you. Success isn't handed to you on a silver platter, it's forged through ownership and perseverance. With Persist Ventures, you're not just joining a project, you're stepping into the role of CEO, with the tools, support and resources to turn your vision into reality. Our network will help you build, grow and fundraise, transforming your ideas into impactful successes. Think about the giants of the tech world. Uber wasn't profitable for a decade, but with unyielding persistence and strategic support, they changed the game. This is the power of resilience. And it's exactly what we offer you at Persist Ventures. We help you navigate the challenges, scale your ideas, and turn dreams into reality. Remember, it's not just about having a great idea, it's about the persistence and belief that drive you to make it happen. Together, let's turn ambition into achievement. Welcome to Startupathon, where your path to success begins today.
Hey guys, good morning. I'm Nidhi Gupta and I'm the co-founder and CEO of WeMotion. Let's first talk, what is WeMotion? WeMotion is a social media platform which redefines the term social. How WeMotion is different from other social media platforms. Here on WeMotion, we have real authentic conversation, face-to-face video conversation. No more avatar, no more fake profile. Immersive 4D scrolling, intelligent content moderation, personalized conversation filtering. Today, I'm here to give a challenge to build a 4D scrolling in our existing app. What we are offering? A full-time position of mobile engineer, where you have opportunity to work with co-founder and get a chance to be part of our core team. So guys, Sachin will explain you for the further process.
Hello guys, I'm Sachin. So let's talk about assignment, what we have to do. So the assignment is for hiring a Flutter Mobile Engineer. So we are expecting you guys to build a 4D scrolling experience in our existing mobile application. Here is the code of our existing mobile application. You can access this GitHub repository and you can use the Flutter FVM to set up the project. So you have to implement the 4D scrolling, what is 4D scrolling and how you have to implement that. All the things are explained in this documentation. This documentation is fully well documented. What you have to utilize is these two APIs. This API is to fetch the list of main feed videos, and this API is going to fetch the replies of the videos. So basically, you have to read this entire document from starting to end. So let me give you a brief overview about this documentation. So first of all, how you are going to fetch the data. So you don't have to implement any backend functionalities for that. We already have backend and we are providing you APIs for that. So you have to copy this API. This is the home API to fetch the home feed video. So let me show you what is home feed. So I click here. If I click right like this, so this is my home feed videos. So you can see here, these are the videos we have on the home screen. If I scroll up, down like this, this is my home feed. And if I want to fetch these videos, I have this API and I just show you the data of this API. So this will show you JSON data. Now let me show you how to fetch replies of this video. So let's say this is the video whose reply I want to fetch. So let's say this is the particular video, and let's say this is the video and I want to fetch the replies of this video. Let's say this video has 3 replies. So I want to fetch the replies of this video. So I can swipe right like this, and I will see the replies of this particular video, and this is the next reply, and this is the next reply. If I want to see the reply of this particular video, I can swipe down, and this is the next video. It also showing me that this is the reply of that video, and this is the reply of parent video. If I swipe this and this and this, I am here on this particular video. So similarly, if I want to fetch the reply of this video, I need this ID. Then I will copy this ID and I will go to my second API, this one, and I'm going to paste it here. So in place of this ID, I will replace 218, which is my ID, and hit the API. So I will get those 2 replies here, 1 and 2. These are the 2 replies of that particular video, 218. As we can see, there are 2 replies. Similarly here, this is the video, and this video also have a child. So if I want to fetch the reply of this particular video, I can fetch replies with the same API. I just have to 224 that I have to paste it here, 224, and hit the API, and API will give me that data. So this is about it, and let me give you a brief overview about this image, which is visible here. So this is a visual explanation of 4D scrolling. So these dots are the indicators on different screens. As you guys can see in the video, we have indicators like this. If I swipe right, you can see HP1, 2. So we already explained all these things in a video. I will show you that. So this is let's say this is the video 1. If I want to fetch the reply of video 1, so I have to paste my ID here in this reply API, and I will get all these reply here. And let's say I am here now. I swipe right and I reach here. I swipe right, I reach here, and now I want to fetch the reply of this particular video, so I had to swipe down. Similarly, so if I'm here, so I have to paste this 4 ID as here and hit the same reply API, and I will get these replies. Okay, so now let's move back here. So this is the explanation video where we are explaining you how 4D scrolling is working. So if you control click on this, you can see a drive link of a demo video that you can see here. And if you play the demo video, you can see the 4D scrolling explanation. So make sure you watch this video to get better understanding of 4D scrolling. Don't forget to watch this as well, because these videos will provide you better understanding of 4D scrolling. Same, you have to say control click and it will open in another link for you, and you have to watch that video. This will provide you a visual demonstration on a whiteboard how 4D scrolling will work. So make sure to watch these videos very carefully. And if you have any questions regarding that, you can ask us. And make sure you guys don't have to build any backend for this functionality. You have to utilize these APIs only. And don't forget to read this documentation, what you have to build. And this is the indicator explanation, what the indicator are and how they work. Also, if you want to know more about indicator, you can watch this video, final expected result, and make sure whatever you are going to submit to us, make sure which is similar to our expected result. Thank you so much, and don't forget to follow the best practices. Here is the best practice documentation, which is provided here. So your code, when we will review your code, we will check these best practices. Have you used them or not? So don't forget to use best practices. Thank you guys. Good luck.